हाय एवरीवन, कैसे हो बच्चों। आई होप कि आप सभी लोग स्वस्थ होंगे और बेहतर होंगे, घर पर बेहतर तरीके से पढ़ाई कर रहे होंगे। प्रीवियस क्लास में मैंने सोर्स ऑफ फूड के बारे में डिस्कस किया था, जिसमें मैंने प्लांट्स के डिफरेंट पार्ट से ऑब्टेन होने वाले फूड के बारे में बताया था, एनिमल से ऑब्टेन होने वाले फूड के बारे में बताया था। टुडे आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट types of animal on the basis of food habit. You know that there are many kinds of animals are found around us. हमारे आसपास बहुत सारे एनिमल्स होते हैं, जस्ट लाइक बफेलो, डॉग, कैट, लायन, ह्यूमन बीइंग, क्रो एक्सेट्रा, बट दे ईट द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फूड मटेरियल। इनके जो फूड मटेरियल होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, डिफरेंट काइंड्स के अलग अलग होते हैं। सो on the basis of food habits, animals are classified into 4 categories, that is herbivore, carnivore, omnivores and other categories में just like they are considered as carnivore, but you can say that it is categorized on other way, that is sanguivores हो गए, scavengers हो गए, etc. हो गए। So today I will discuss about the types of animal on the basis of food habits. So we start our topic, types of animals on the basis of food habit. On the basis of food habit, animals are of following types. First one is that herbivores, second one is that carnivores, third one is that omnivores, and fourth one is that other types. Other types is belongs from the carnivores, but for example that is sanguivores, scavengers, etc. Now I will discuss about herbivores. What is the herbivores? Those animals which eat plant and plant products are called herbivores. ऐसे सभी एनिमल्स जो प्लांट और प्लांट प्रोडक्ट खाते हो, दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज व्हाट, हर्बीवोर्स। एग्जाम्पल की बात करें हर्बीवोर्स की, तो यू विल ऑब्जर्व दैट जितने भी कैटल्स होते हैं, पशुओं की श्रेणी में आते हैं, वो सभी के सभी क्या होते हैं, बफलो, काऊ, ऑक्स, जिराफ, camel. These are considered as what, typical herbivores, that is rabbit, elephant, goat. So there are many examples you can see around us, which is an example of herbivores. So what is the herbivores? Those animals which eat plant and plant product are called herbivores. Example बहुत सारे होंगे, that is giraffe, buffalo, cow, ox, elephant, rabbit, camel, goat and etc. So that is the herbivores. Now I will discuss about the what, carnivores. What is the carnivores? Now we start about other categories, that is the carnivores. What is the carnivore? Those animals which eat animal and animal product are called carnivores, That is very important point. यानी those animals which eat animal and animal product, यहाँ पे ये ध्यान देंगे कि या तो एनिमल फ्लैश ऑफ एनिमल्स को ईट करेंगे, खाएंगे, और या तो एनिमल प्रोडक्ट के। फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम बात कहें कि अगर कोई भी एक ऐसा पर्सन है कि जो केवल मिल्क लेता, घी बटर लेता, कुछ भी नहीं लेता, तो दे आर कंसीडर्ड एज द टिपिकल कार्निवोर, बिकॉज मिल्क इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ व्हाट? एनिमल्स। तो जनरली फ्रीज इन योर माइंड दैट दोज एनिमल्स विच ईट animals and animal product are called carnivores. Example of carnivores, there are many examples, that is lion, tiger, jackal. What? That is the example of typical carnivore. ये सभी किसके example होंगे? Carnivores के, that is snake, vulture, etc. So that is the example of carnivore. So what is the carnivore? Those animals which eat animal and animal product are called carnivore. Now I will discuss about the omnivores. Now we will start about the omnivores. Those animals which eat plant and plant product, animals and which eat plant and plant product, animal and animal product are called omnivores. It means that what? That is very important. यानी कि those animal which eat, जो प्लांट और एनिमल दोनों को एज अ फूड गेन करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड द omnivores. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, omnivores ह्यूमन बीइंग, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, टिपिकल है, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स सब कुछ खाता है आज इंसान. सेकेंड वन इज क्रो, ये भी सब कुछ खाता है. डॉग, cat, cockroach, etc. So this is the common example of omnivores. So what is the basic difference between herbivore, omnivore and carnivore? Herbivore which eat plant and plant product, carnivore which eat animal and animal products, omnivores which eat plant and plant product and animal products. Now I will discuss about the two special type or other categories or other food habit. Now we discuss about the fourth important point, that is the other types of food habit of animal. For example, scavengers, those animals which eat flesh of dead and decaying animals are called scavengers. For example, vulture, jackal, hyena, and fourth one is that crow. This is the example of scavengers. means those animals which eat flesh of dead and decaying animals. And you know very well that these animals are very important for our environment. आप जानते हैं कि जो भी एनिमल्स डेड हो जाते हैं, उनकी डेड बॉडीज़ को ये खाते हैं, तो ये कहीं ना कहीं हमारे इन्वायरमेंट के क्या होते हैं, सफाई कर्मी होते हैं. सेकेंड इम्पॉर्टेंट example other types of food habit is that is sangivorous. Now we start about sangivorous. Sangivorous. What is the sangivorous? Those animals which obtain their food from the blood of other animals. Best example लीच हीरोडिनेरिया, जिसे आप लोग जोंक के नाम से जानते हैं. ऐसे एनिमल जो दूसरे एनिमल्स के ब्लड को शक करते हैं. सो टुडे आई हैव डिस्कस about the types of animal on the basis of food habit. On the basis of food habit, animals are of many types, that is herbivores which eat plant and plant product, carnivores which eat animal and animal products, omnivores which eat plant and plant product, animal and animal product. The other types is I have discussed about the scavengers which eat the flesh of dead and decaying animals, and other one is the sangivores which obtain their food from the blood of other animals. तो ये आज के लिए इतना है. थैंक यू. सभी लोग इसको याद करेंगे और कॉपी पे नोट करके आप मेरे पास भेजेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच.